He's not just a player. He's a story, a journey. Luka Doncic, the young Slovenian who rose from the streets of Ljubljana to the global stage of the NBA. This isn't just a tale of athleticism. It's a tale of vision, precision, and pure basketball magic. Born on February 28, 1999, in Ljubljana, Slovenia, Luka Doncic seemed destined for greatness. His father, Sasa Doncic, was a professional basketball player and coach. The game was in his blood. Luka picked up a basketball when he was just 7, and from the very beginning, his footwork, vision, and instincts set him apart from his peers. At just 13 years old, Luka joined the youth academy of Real Madrid, one of the most prestigious basketball clubs in Europe. For someone that young to move to another country and step into a professional level program is rare. But Luka wasn't just anyone. He quickly impressed everyone with his maturity, intelligence, and command of the court. By 16, he was playing for Real Madrid's senior team, and in 2018, at just 19, he led them to a EuroLeague championship and was named League MVP. When the 2018 NBA draft arrived, all eyes were on Luka. The Atlanta Hawks selected him with the 3rd overall pick, but almost immediately, he was traded to the Dallas Mavericks. That one move would reshape not just the Mavericks' future, but the entire league. Luka's rookie season was nothing short of phenomenal, averaging 21 points, 7.8 rebounds, and 6 assists per game. He made it crystal clear that he wasn't just another rookie. He was a generational talent. He took home the NBA Rookie of the Year award and earned a spot on the All-Rookie First Team. But that was only the beginning. Over the next few seasons, Luka continued to evolve. His numbers soared, over 30 points per game, flirting with triple-doubles night after night. He became a regular All-Star and earned 5 All-NBA First-Team selections before the age of 25. What sets Luka Doncic apart isn't just his stats. It's the way he plays the game. He's a point guard in a forward's body, standing 6 feet 7 inches, with the court vision of a seasoned veteran and the shooting touch of a sniper. His signature step-back three-pointer has become one of the most feared shots in the league. He's not the fastest, not the strongest, but he's always in control, like a chess grandmaster, always 3 moves ahead. In the 2024-25 season, a stunning announcement shook the NBA. Luka Doncic had been traded to the Los Angeles Lakers. The deal included Anthony Davis and several draft picks, marking one of the most significant trades in recent NBA history. Luka arriving in LA wasn't just a player changing teams. It was the start of a new era. With LeBron James nearing the end of his legendary run, the Lakers needed a new face, someone to lead, inspire, and carry the legacy forward. Luka Doncic became that man. On the court, his confidence is unmatched. He dictates tempo, finds teammates with impossible passes, and delivers in the clutch. Luka's game feels almost effortless, like he's composing music with every dribble, every pass, every shot. And Luka isn't just a star in the NBA. He's a national hero in Slovenia. In 2017, at only 18 years old, he led his country to a gold medal at the Eurobasket tournament, forming a deadly duo with Goran Dragic. He put Slovenia on the global basketball map, and in 2025, he's once again expected to represent his nation in international competition. Off the court, Luka's life is just as compelling. He's engaged to Anna Maria Galtz, a fashion model he's known since childhood. The couple welcomed their daughter, Gabriella, in 2023, and Luka often shares glimpses of family life on social media. Quiet moments with his fiancée, playful time with his dog Hugo, and snapshots of him gaming or driving one of his favorite cars. Despite his global fame, Luka remains grounded. He's known for his humor, humility, and deep love for the game. He carries himself like a player from another era, competitive yet calm, confident yet coachable, focused on the team, not just the spotlight. Luka Doncic reminds us that talent alone isn't enough. True greatness comes from relentless work ethic, high basketball IQ, emotional control, and a love for the craft. Coming from a small European country and rising to dominate the biggest basketball league in the world, that's a story that inspires millions. And if you think Luka Doncic has already peaked, think again. He's only 26. He has an entire decade ahead of him to break records, win championships, and maybe, just maybe, go down as one of the greatest players of all time. If you're a Luka fan, let us know in the comments. What's your favorite Luka moment? Was it that playoff buzzer beater? That triple-double in just 3 quarters? Or maybe his clutch performance against Team USA? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another story like this.